Hi, my name is John Whitney. I'm an instructor at the Yukon University in their water and wastewater program. I teach the small water systems hands-on element in their university's treatment trailer, where we can get students hands-on experience of water plant operations and maintenance. And we can get them their 50 hours to write their first level certification, which is their foot in the door for all water treatment plants. I've been a water operator for about 17 years now. I started out with my First Nation at their small water treatment plant in our little subdivision. I moved from there. I got my level 1 water treatment, and then I became a circuit rider in the Yukon, and I serviced all the water treatment plants along the Alaska Highway in the Yukon, all the way from Watson Lake to Beaver Creek in the Yukon Territory. In this series of videos, we are going to be covering operations and maintenance of a miniature water treatment plant that the university has designed and created for students to learn on.